platform and I am from Gurugram Estate Private Limited. The director of the company is Mr. Ashish Gut. Today we are inside DLF Phase 1 to showcase you a property size of 316 square yards. This is categorically a 3-bedroom hall, kitchen, dining drawing. So let me take you through the small little presentation of the property. So we're standing inside the drawing space and the dining space of the property. You can consider this space where I'm standing as a dining space, and on the right hand side, which has a glass partition, you can take this space as a drawing space as well. So this is the drawing space, that's the dining space, because you're very near to the kitchen on the other hand. Now to precisely discuss a little bit more about this property where I'm standing at, if you see the false ceiling design, they've given the glass at the roof. ऊपर में glass दिया हुआ है, which looks very cool. When you're sitting on a sofa and you see a reflection, this is gonna make you live your life into an N11 stage. This is something deco paint. ये पूरा का पूरा लकड़ लगा हुआ है, वुडन है यहाँ पर LEDs का पैनल दिया हुआ है. This is again a glass. On the surface of the apartment, you will see this is an Italian flooring which we have given. AC का provisioning के लिए इन्होंने space दिया हुआ है. Towards the outside there is a UPVC door and window. This does not have a mesh, but again this has a huge balcony space in the front. If you look at this balcony, यहाँ पर इन्होंने HPL की sheets लगाई हुई है. This is the balcony space. And when I talk about this is the balcony space, you do not have any placement of a wet water here. Wet water के लिए सिर्फ वहाँ पर placement दिया हुआ है. That's the nozzle pipe which is coming out, the sanitary pipe. एक बारी उधर दिखा दीजिए please. Now, if you see the surroundings of this place, you will see we are very well connected with the golf course road. We are very well connected to the cyber hub, which is the cyber city, and that's the La Meridian Hotel. That's all about the surroundings. I mean, we'll move to the terrace as well. This is basically a duplex cum penthouse. So we'll move to the terrace a little later, but let me showcase you the property insights as well. Aesthetics are awesome. So this was the drawing, this was the dining. Let's cover up the powder room first. This is the powder room for your guest, whosoever is coming inside your property. This is something very personalized, किसी के साथ common नहीं है, which is the plus point. Grohe का fittings है, Italian Jaguars and everything Italian fitting है इसके अंदर. And the there is a glass by Modi Ghat. यहाँ पर मैं जो पत्थर use करा है वो भी काफी niche segment का है. आइए please. This is the first bedroom of the property that we have entered. भाई ये बड़ा soothing effect दे रहा है because this has a lush green surroundings in the front and ये door size window दिया हुआ है, toughened glass वगैरह लगे हुए हैं यहाँ पर. This is also connected with the balcony space. We're not going to open this door, but this is connected with the balcony space as well. You can see this visible. There is a provisioning for the air conditioning system to be installed there. You've got Crompton Reeves fan, you've got LED panels. This is the washroom attached with this first bedroom. You'll see this is a bowl shape wash basin. इधर में इन्होंने glass partition नहीं दिया हुआ है. Maybe they'll give this little later. यहाँ पर सारा ग्रोहे की fittings है and which will be installed. This is like the commode seat. That's all stonework which is done. दरवाजे भी quality, दरवाजों की quality is good. Okay. This is the wardrobe section. This is the wardrobe section. You've got a shoe rack down. So this wardrobe section is a little better because it is not going to interrupt the space. Now this dining space has a very nice false ceiling design. You've got heavy fans installed. You see the AC provisioning given here on the right hand side. Towards the left, that's a wooden panel installed here. Now let's get inside the second bedroom of the property. You've got a nice passage space here. You've got a nice passage space. This is the second bedroom of the property. You've again got a glass here, door size window, UPVC. It's a huge window. This does not open. This is just for a visible effects. Now that's the washroom connected with this room. AC का provisioning इधर दिया हुआ, LED panels all are same. थोड़ा सा design का difference है. बाकी, if I talk about the quality of the doors inside the wardrobe, तो बहुत अच्छा दिया हुआ है. काफ़ी अच्छी quality use करी है. पूरा इटालियन मार्बल दिया हुआ है. सरफेस पे भी इधर ग्लास पार्टीशन भी दिया हुआ है. दैट्स द शाफ्ट एरिया. एंड व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट, आर यू ओपन दिस, ये खुलता है क्या? ये नहीं खुलता. दिस स्टेज पुट. खुलता होगा लेकिन इसके हैंडल्स वगैरह अभी शायद नहीं लगे हैं, आई गेस. सो दैट्स द कमोड सीट. दैट्स द ग्लास. विट्रा का इसमें फिटिंग्स है. अगेन नाइस, नॉट बैड. दिस इज द मार्बल. This is the marble, so there would be the place to install your exhaust. Again, on the left hand side you'll see there is another storage system given. This is operated purely by the sensor. Once you open it, then only this gets open. Idhar bhi diya hua hai, idhar bhi diya hua hai. Bang opposite, this can be considered as a dressers as well. So this again has a balcony attached with this. This is the balcony of the second bedroom. So here is the place where you can hang your externals of the air conditioning system. उधर भी AC आपका टांग सकते हैं आप. पीछे में इन्होंने पूरा सेफ्टी के हिसाब से इन्होंने नीचे वाले फ्लोर्स में जाल वगैरह दे रखे हैं. एंड इधर में ग्रेनाइट पत्थर यूज़ करा हुआ है. इधर में आपका गीज़र लग जाएगा. दैट्स द प्लेस वेयर यू कैन हैंग योर गीज़र. That's a UPVC door. In the future, if you want to get it changed, you can install a wooden one as well. अच्छा, the best part, when you install the television, भाई इधर तो कंसोल नहीं दिया हुआ, ये थोड़ा सा कमी है. अगर आप टेलीविजन इंस्टॉल करते हैं तो ये तार अंडरग्राउंड है, ऑलरेडी वायरिंग इसमें. The door quality is so not that good. This is the third bedroom of the property that we have entered, and this has a, this is I guess tile वाला है ना. This is the tiles which we have installed. भाई ये टाइल जो है वुडन कलर है, वुडन फ्लोरिंग की तरह ही लगता है. That's again the wardrobe section. भाई जैसे उसमें था इतना अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन it's still so. ये कंडीशनिंग का वहाँ पर इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं आप यूनिट. The master bedroom size stays little smaller, I guess. This is the washroom space. Again, यहाँ फिटिंग्स वगैरह भी लगनी है. ग्रोहे का लगेगा यहाँ पर. विट्रा का फिटिंग्स है. इधर में भी सारा कमोड के पास में शीशा लगा हुआ है. You've got a fan on top. That's nice. You talk about the false ceiling design. इसमें थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है उधर वाले कमरे से. ये थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, सोबर है. Now that's again the same balcony that we showed you before. From the second bedroom you have a common space that you will share. Let's move inside the dining space. This is the first thing that I wish to explain you. You've got the kitchen space here. We'll cover up the kitchen, but this is an open staircase. उधर में safety precautions लग सकता है, so that you should not fall. Let's cover up the kitchen. Please come inside the kitchen, Jatin. This is the kitchen space. भाई quartz दिया हुआ है पत्थर, which is very nice. It's a stain free. Alika का fittings है. Hob. I don't see a chimney here. Chimney इधर शायद नहीं लगा के दे रहे हैं. This is again a high-end quality given. ये normal racks दिए हुए हैं इसमें सामान रखने के. This is the space to keep your oven. That's different space again. भाई किचन में दिखाने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ रहता है, लेकिन this is a very simple and ordinary kitchen. इधर में थोड़ा सा क्वालिटी के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करा हुआ है. अगर ये थोड़ा अच्छा देते तो अच्छा रहता. And this is the refrigerator space. This is the place where you can park your refrigerator. That's your cutlery section. Keep your pepper, salt, grains, pulse, chole, rajma, whatever you want to keep it. This is again the same balcony, shared with the second and third bedroom. This is the same balcony. Now the product is by Hetich. That's the drainage system. You wash your utensils, the water is going to drain down. That's again a slider. You keep whatever stuff you want to keep it here. Very neat and clean work. Now we'll move to the terrace area. Come along with me. Let's move on to the terrace. This is the open staircase. You can consider this as a penthouse as well. If somebody wants to say it a penthouse, good to go. Now the best part here is you've got another room on the terrace. Come, I'll showcase. This is the another room which you've got. This is the another room that you've got on the terrace. भाई ये तो एक अच्छा चीज़ हो गया, एक एडवांटेज है. सर्दियों में धूप सेक सकते हैं. ये आपका बालकनी स्पेस है इधर. ये पूरा बैक साइड है. इट्स अ 2 साइड ओपन प्रॉपर्टी. This is the washroom space of the terrace. Now when I discuss about the washroom space of the terrace, you probably have a closet here. इधर में closet वगैरह दिए हुए हैं. सेंसर बेस्ड है सारे के सारे. भाई अच्छा है हिसाब किताब. इधर ग्लास पार्टीशन दिया हुआ. ये वॉश बेसिन का सिंक इधर आ जाएगा. प्लीज कम. This is the common area of the terrace. भाई आप आराम से इधर barbecues and everything, the stuff has been done. So I welcome you to the terrace of this property. Please come along with me. This is an artificial grass जो यहाँ बिछाई हुई है, install करी हुई है. Basically this is not the original grass. And दीवारों पे भी थोड़ा सा इन्होंने वॉल पे इन्होंने चिपकाया हुआ है इस ग्रास को. वेरी ब्यूटिफुली डन. यू विल सी वेरी ब्यूटिफुली डन. भाई ये छोटा सा एक बार काउंट टॉप बनाया हुआ है यहाँ पर, व्हिच यू कैन यूटिलाइज. बगल में भी किसी ने छत बना रखी है. दैट्स अ फैंटाबुलस टेरेस दैट द पर्सन हैज मेड टू कीप हिमसेल्फ अलाइव टू अ लिविंग स्पेस. सो दैट्स द स्पेस फॉर योर बार, फॉर व्हाटएवर ग्रिल, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू. That's all. I mean, you're standing on the terrace, pure oxygen, ताज़ी ठंडी हवा. What else does a person need? सुबह में आओ आराम से यहाँ चाय पियो अपने घर वालों के साथ. इवनिंग में enjoy करो. So towards the left, you will see all the Aravali Hills का view आ रहा है पूरा का पूरा. Left hand side में you can see that metro walking, metro running. I'm sorry. ये तो झूला दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. जतिन ये वाला भी दिखाओ. You will get along with this complimentary. You don't have to purchase it. भाई आसपास की सराउंडिंग्स थोड़ी सी दिखा दो. काफ़ी अच्छी सराउंडिंग्स हैं. Even it is hot sun. टेम्परेचर आज काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, फिर भी लग नहीं रहा क्योंकि हवा इतनी ताज़ी चल रही है. अरावलीज पीछे की तरफ में पूरा अरावली का व्यू है, सराउंडेड है, तो पता नहीं लग रहा कि भाई गर्मी है या नहीं है. थोड़ा बहुत तो पसीना सबको ही आता है. So that was all about this property today. So let me reiterate you what I have shown you. We are standing on a 316 square yard plot inside DLF Phase 1. 3 BHK plus dining, drawing hall, kitchen. This has another room on the terrace. And the terrace area you get along with this house. You can consider this as a duplex, else a penthouse for your living. Also, we would like to bring this in your notice. We have read your comments couple of few days back, and every day we do repeat the same thing in the repetition. We want your valuable comments. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and people who are watching this video, please give us your thumbs up. If you give us your thumbs up, we'll be there for you. If you don't give us your thumbs up, we'll still be there for you. Keep watching us. This was Anupam from Gurugram Estate, and don't forget to call us if you're looking for a site visit to view. We'll be right there for you 365 days a year, 7 days a week. Thank you. Namaste.